5. Now we see about the Boston Woods price prediction using linear regression technique. Okay, there are 5 steps to predict the price. Step 1, data pre-processing, data visualization, normalization of data and splitting the data. And step 4, visualization of model, and step 5, prediction of prices. Now we see about the data pre-processing step. Okay, before we enter into the data pre-processing step, import all the library files like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Matplotlib PyPlot, like that, and sklearn library. Okay, load the data set of the Boston house and then description of the data set of the Boston house using printing statements. There are 13 attributes can be printed. CRIM like CRIM, ZN, Index, Chas, Knox, RM, and 506 samples. Okay, now we printed the features in Pandas data frame. These are the 13 attributes data frames values. Now any one of the features can be printed using feature statement. It can be shown like that. Now we generate the target data set, that data frame, like target data can be generated, 506 rows and 1 columns data values. Now we concatenated two features and target data can be into single data frame structure using Pandas. 13 attributes plus target data. Okay. The above data frame, it can be shown the 2 decimal points with the 2 decimal points. Next, step 2, visualization of the model using correlation. The correlation between the attributes and correlation of the target values. It can be shown in the bar graph structure. Now, step 3, normalization of data. Normalization of data. Step 3, normalization of data. There are 2 variables can be taken. One is stored as LSTAT value and target value. Before we normalization of data, print the target value only. After normalization, using min-max scalar can be taken in the these are the values. Now the data can be splitting the data. The data can be splitting into 2, trained data and testing data. First of all, the data can be trained data, like that can be updated using error function, update, gradient descent functions. Okay. The third one, the data can be trained, like that linear regression graph. These are plot in the linear regression graph. And next, the value can be predicted. Now price can be predicted. Prediction of prices. Step 5, prediction of prices. Before we prediction of prices, mean square error is important. It is the testing data. Now the data can be put in a single data frame, predicted values and target values. These are the predicted values and the target values. Now it can be shown in the bar graph, scatter graphs. This is a linear regression line. Okay. Now we reshape the predicted value into target and predicted value. These are the predicted values for Boston house price prediction. Okay. Thank you.